Ano ba?
Alright, let's cut on open the blind bag. Go over. Yeah.
Look! Ka-video ka na gali?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Gagi pa sa mama.
And look at this. Oh, sorry.
Yan ka.
Sorry.
Butang idara ano o para
Sorry.
okay na nada?
And we have to put it right over here. I got a legendary sugar apple. Yay! Let's go sell it. How? I want to sell this as white sugar apple. How many money?
$500.
Yay! I have so many money. And it included when I make it and it's turned out cool. And you have to subscribe and like the video. And you have this is my first video in the world. And so bye bye.